Sri Ramakrishna Engineering College, Coimbatore is an autonomous institution established in the year 1994 by SNR Sons Charitable Trust. The institution is ranked amongst top 10 institutes in various surveys in South India and top 40 institutes in India. Department of Civil Engineering was established in the year 2012. The Civil Engineering program has accredited by National Board of Accreditation. The lab's facilities are well equipped with advanced equipments. The department facilitates academic activities to understand fundamental concepts and inculcate analytical ability to solve problems. The department also encourages the students to engage in co-curricular and extracurricular activities, nurturing of team spirit and develop creativity, innovation, and organizational skills, thereby providing the best possible solution for practical engineering problems.
Environmental Engineering Laboratory. Surveying Laboratory. Concrete and Transportation. Engineering Laboratory. Geotechnical Engineering Laboratory. CAD Laboratory. Project Laboratories. Strength of Materials and Fluid and Hydraulic Engineering Laboratory.
I'm Dr. E. Sarojini, Professor and Head of Civil Engineering Department. The department was established in the year 2012, and then it is recognized by the National Board of Accreditation, as well as it is recognized by the Center of Research by Anna University, Chennai. And then we have 45% of the faculties are PhD holders, and then the 3 faculties are supervisors, and then we guided the students and then they support the students to participate in the events like the events conducted by the IIT Bombay, FOSSEE, AST, Mapathon Awards. We extended the supports to the students to participate in the events organized by this IIT Bombay, FOSSEE, AST and Mapathons. 4 years consecutively we received the champions, winners, the topper awards, as well as the students participated in this Uyir Road Safety contest. Then the students participated in this IIT Madras conducted Idea to Innovative Challenge, awards, and then the students received the rupees 50,000 cash awards for the project establishment, as well as we received the seed fund for the establishment of the projects, and then we received the awards from this various participations in the various contests. Students undergone the internships in IIT Bombay, IIT Madras, Cube, as well as this industries like L&T, IIMPL for the energy audits, sustainability audits, etc. Then the faculty members, we received the funding from the DST TTP fund, as well as the MSME business incubation fund, around 40 lakhs. And then for then consultancy activities within this 2 to 3 years, we received the 6 lakhs for the for the testing of the stability of the payments, as well as the various consultancy activities for the IAMPL and the railway stations, as well as the Tata consultancy services. So students participated in this all these projects, the funded projects, as well as in the consultancy works, and then they earned us real-time problems solving skills. So the students can able to establish their careers in any field, as like the entrepreneurs, or as well as the there is research organizations. The students that is undergone the internships in the research internship means then they will get the research associates, then they get the government job opportunities also. Around that is within this 4 to 5 years, around 22 students they got the government appointment as assistant engineers, and then the survey department, etc. These are the achievements of our students as well as our faculty members. And then the students, the department initiated a startup also as an infra analyzer in the student name. The civil engineering students placed in L&T as well as the prominence, etc., with the average salary of 3.5 lakhs and then the highest salary of 10 lakhs per annum.
Hi, I'm Dr. Anita Selva Sophia, Assistant Professor from Department of Civil Engineering, Sri Ramakrishna Engineering College. My area of specialization is remote sensing and GIS. The Department of Civil Engineering of Sri Ramakrishna Engineering College is a place to come out with innovators and solutions. And I'm happy that I have mentored 39 students to receive championship and winners in the event Mapathon, which is organized by IIT Bombay. And we are happy that we are the 4 consecutive winners and challenges of this event. I have mentored students to participate in OE Road Safety Hackathon and receive the Best Project Award. And our department has a facilities of internship for a month of 6 to 1 year, and where the student can achieve and know about the real-time problem solvings through IITs and Craftsman's, Prominence and L&T's, which is a reputed institution and company of our institution. And I thank the management, principal and head of the department for this support, which made me to lead the student to achieve their career goals. Thank you.
Hi, are you passionate towards sustainability? Imagine yourself being in the forefront of construction industry, minimizing the carbon footprints as well as enhancing the lifestyle of the occupants. Green building is the only answer for this. We are proud to say that we have introduced a specialization course in green building technology for the civil engineering students, and currently more than 3 batches of students have been specialized in green building technology, and we can see our students being practiced as conducting water audits, campus green audits, performance monitoring of the building environment, etc. And noticeably we see our students participating in the hackathons, innovating solutions towards sustainable construction. And noticeably we can say one of our team started with a small project in the introduction of a sustainable harvesting pipe that has emerged as an entrepreneurship, and they have been awarded to start their own startup in association with IIT Madras and the Idea to Innovate Challenge. These are some accolades of our students participating in the Green Building Forum. Join with us if you are interested to join towards a green future. Thank you.
I am Dr. A. Dinesh, Assistant Professor, Department of Civil Engineering from Sri Ramakrishna Engineering College, Coimbatore. I would like to share our project on the structural health monitoring. We have initiated this project in the year 2020. and we have received funds from DST as well as MSME to initiate this startup. As an outcome of this research, we have published more than 10 articles with a cumulative impact factor of 75, and also this research has granted with 4 patents. In addition, our department is having faculties with competency in building information and modeling. As an outcome, we have trained our students in Revit architecture, 3ds Max, StatFlow as well as Navisworks, which leads to the placement of students in reputed companies. And also we have organizational membership with the Indian Congress Institute. In association with ICA, we have organized events like expert lectures, project competition as well as site visit. We thank the management, principal and head of the department for supporting us in conducting these events. Thank you.
Hi, I am Kamal, Assistant Professor, Department of Civil Engineering, Sri Ramakrishna Engineering College. I am the placement coordinator of the department. Here we are providing more facilities to the students, so regarding placement and training. And in previous years, our students are placed in various companies like L&T, RB Stretches, Plumeria, CTS, Mindtree, etc. So our students are placed both in core as well as the software places.
Hi everyone, myself Ashish. I am currently pursuing my third year education as a civil engineering student in Sri Ramakrishna Engineering College. Civil engineering is not just about construction, it's about developing a sustainable future. Our college provides us with insights in main factors such as infrastructure development, urban planning, water resource management, sustainable development, structural integrity and safety, and many others. Our college also provides us with 1 credit courses, workshops and seminars which is based on skill development, hands-on training and industry level knowledge.
Hi everyone, I'm Devdashni. I'm currently third year pursuing civil engineering at Sri Ramakrishna Engineering College. Our college has a strong track in providing placements and internship opportunities to enhance the students' knowledge and skills. And top requirements includes L&T and craftsman, and our proud alumni got secured in the government jobs.
Hi, I'm Manaswini Sundaraj, alumni of Sri Ramakrishna Engineering College, Civil Department. I'm currently working in Open Cosmos, an aerospace company, after completing my Masters in Cranfield University, UK. First of all, I would like to thank all my professors of Civil Department for all the support and motivation they have provided throughout the degree program. 4 years in SREC was a very beautiful experience. It helped me build myself as a better person, professionally as well as personally. We can be a member of a lot of professional society chapters like Indian Concrete Institute, Indian Geotechnical Society and lots more. We have an excellent lab facility within the department where we are allowed to perform all the experimental tests that we wish to explore. Apart from general lectures, we had lots of workshops and guest lectures which motivated me to pursue my masters abroad. Finally, I would like to thank my institution for providing such a great experience in learning. And I wish all the best for the prospective students. Thank you.
Hi, I am Godwin, alumnus of Sri Ramakrishna Engineering College from Department of Civil Engineering. So I pursued my UG degree and later then I completed a master's degree. So only then I realized the preciousness of this college. When I entered to the new college there, I came to understand about the people from different colleges, and when I get close to them, and they had some of less knowledge about the practical works about the departments. So in our college there were a lot of practical works, laboratory works. These were so useful and they were from the top university and top leading colleges. When I came from Ramakrishna College, they neatly pointed out me, and the works which I done here and whatever the experience which I gained was very useful in the new college. So I realized the preciousness of the college only after this UG degree. And later there were EDC club, entrepreneurship. So now I am an entrepreneur. So I have started an consultancy work. I am pursuing on that job. Thanks for the opportunity.
Hi, I am Santosh. I pursued my undergraduate program in Sri Ramakrishna Engineering College. During the 4 years of undergraduate program, the civil department helped me to gain a lot of technical knowledge and also the knowledge required for the industries. They conducted many value-added courses and the software trainings which helped us to gain the industrial knowledge required. We have an active alumni association cell through which we are in constant contact with the juniors and the faculty members and extending our support through the fellow juniors by offering them an intern or the job offers. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.
Good morning to one and all present here. I am Rahul Prasad. I am pursuing my final year civil engineering at Sri Ramakrishna Engineering College. I have done my specialization in green technology, which was in the field of civil engineering. As we know that there are mounting environmental problems, we need to embrace the sustainable practices to give upon the sustainable measures to conclude the world in it. Like the sustainable measures will improve the world in a better way. As the green technology is one of the emerging technologies in the world, the main objective of the green technology is to provide sustainability for our future well-being. While doing specialization, I come to know about that the green technology was entirely different from the conventional civil engineering, as the design start from the design phase to the completion of the project, the process was entirely different. And our Sri Ramakrishna Engineering College have signed an MOU with Auger Engineers, by which it helps us to learn about the auditing and consulting services and also gain more knowledge and industrial exposure from our respective industrial person. And I would like to thank our respective SREC management, our respective principal and our respective HOD for providing us such a wonderful opportunity. Thank you.